Tomahawk battery-powered fertilizer spreaders are great for year-round use. Not only perfect for spring and summer landscaping and pest control, these units are also an incredible leaf blower and ice melt solution during autumn and winter. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to get your spreader ready for use. Start by carefully removing all parts from the box, including the toolkit bag. First, connect the accordion pipe to the spreader's blower housing. Fasten it in place using a Phillips head screwdriver and the hose clamp. Next, attach the connecting pipe to the other end of the accordion pipe, securing it with another hose clamp. Then slide the throttle control handle over the connecting pipe and secure it in place with the screw. Connect the blower pipe to the other end of the connecting pipe, twisting to lock it in place. Finally, clip in the backpack straps to the base of the spreader. Next, open the battery compartment door. Align the battery with the guides and slide it in until it clicks into place and close the door. Remember to never force the battery pack. To fill the tank, keep the dust lever down and remove the lid. Pour the material into the tank carefully to avoid spills. Only fill the tank with the amount you plan to spread. Then fasten the lid securely. Once the machine's comfortable on your back, tighten the straps. To start spreading, squeeze the red trigger on the throttle control lever and raise the dust lever. Use the throttle handle to control the speed of the spreader, adjusting the distance and spread of the granules. The dust lever adjusts the amount of granules that leave the tank. In the down position, no granules will spread, and in the up position, the maximum amount will be spread. The throttle control handle includes a cruise control function to set and lock your ideal blowing speed. To engage cruise control, press down on the top lever. To charge the battery, plug the charging dock into a power outlet, then slide the battery into the dock using the guides. The LED indicator turns red while charging, which takes about 2 hours, and then turns green when complete. Always clean and dry your spreader after use to prevent clogs and corrosion. And store the equipment upright in a lockable, dry area after each use. For more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Tomahawk products, click subscribe today.